And welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Cricket is where we begin. The West Indies are now facing an uphill task to win the second and final test against South Africa after a brilliant on-beat century from captain Temba Bavuma put the hosts in control of the match. And they reached 287 for 7 in their second innings at stumps on day 3 in Centurion, a lead of 356 runs. Bavuma was 171 not out at the close, his highest test score. This was only Bavuma's second test century. He also shared in a crucial 103-run sixth-wicket stand with Wayne Mulder, who made 42 after the Proteas were struggling at 103 for 5. He would find another useful partner in Simon Harmer, who made a stubborn 19 off 56 balls. Kyle Mayers has taken 2 for 25 and Alzar Joseph 2 for 49 for the Windies. Kemar Roach, Jason Holder and Raymond Reefer have taken the other wickets to fall so far. So scores in the match: South Africa 320 and 287 for 7. The West Indies 251. Now, a total of 8 finals will be contested on today's opening day of the 3-day Carifta Track and Field National Trials at the National Stadium. All 8 finals will be in the field, including the long jump for under 20 boys and girls, the shot put for under 20 boys and girls, the shot put for under 17 boys and girls, and the high jump for under 17 boys and girls. The meet will get underway at 5 p.m. with the preliminaries of the under 17 girls 400 meters. The prelims for the 1500 meters as well as the 100 meters will also be contested. World Under 20 100 meters silver medalist the Boaji and Krumi of Kingston College, World Under 20 shot put silver medalist the Kobe Lawrence of Calabar, as well as World Under 20 200 meters silver medalist Alana Reid are among the athletes slated to compete on the opening day. 27-year-old Mexican boxer Alexis Eduardo Olmos has been confirmed as the opponent for Jamaica's Kemal the Hitman Russell, who will make his long-awaited return to the ring on April 29. The 8-round super middleweight contest will take place at the Pickering Casino Resort in Ontario, Canada. The 32-year-old Russell had his last fight in March 2018 when he scored a second-round TKO victory over Mexico's Miche Munoz at the National Arena.
Excited, to be fighting again and representing, a country and, family and friends. All I need is like a month, and I will be getting a little bit over a month of training, a month and 2 weeks. So that will be sufficient for the fight ahead.
All right. Russell has a ring record of 13-1-0 with 11 knockouts, while Olmos is currently 7-4-0. Meanwhile, Russell also confirmed that he's now operating his own gym and training boxers, as well as people who want to get involved as a form of recreation.
As well, whenever the national championships about to be held, then I would be, bringing my own team and participating for gold.
The facility, which is known as Hitbox Gym, is located at 77 Shortwood Road in Kingston. The National Boxing Championships will be held in April. Some football news now. Jamaica's Reggae Girls will have the inaugural CONCACAF Women's Gold Cup as a major target for early 2024, with February 17 to March 10 announced as the dates for the tournament. The tournament is being billed as the region's premier competition for senior national teams and is a key part of the CONCACAF Women's Football Strategy, which was launched in 2019. The tournament will include a 6-team preliminary round and a 12-team group stage, followed by a 3-round knockout stage. The final will be contested on March 10. The 12-team group stage will consist of 8 CONCACAF teams and 4 CONMEBOL guest teams. Only world champions, the United States, have so far secured a berth to the tournament, having won the 2022 CONCACAF Women's Championship. Jamaica's Reggae Girls could also be an early qualifier for the tournament with victory over Canada in their CONCACAF Olympic playoff match in September this year. A further 6 CONCACAF teams will also qualify directly for the group stage through qualifiers set for this September to December this year. The official draw of the 2023 Road to CONCACAF Women's Gold Cup is scheduled to take place on May 17. The CONMEBOL guest participants have been determined based on the 2022 Women's Copa America. And that's the final whistle, and that is it for your lunchtime sports. Kalisha, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Kalisha Williams. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.